Welcome back to John's Rice Cooker. Today we have some rice cooker croissants rolls. Very nice. You see it looks a little undercooked there, but it's just from the dripping of the rice cooker. When you open it, the water drips down. So it's cooked through real nice. The cake setting, 50 minutes. Croissant rolls, cut. Chop, 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 8 times, into 8 pieces. Put in the bottom of the rice cooker. Fucking came out amazing. Look at the bottom. Not burnt. Cooked through. In your rice cooker, it's crazy. The top is very moist. The bottom's nice and crunchy. Can't wait to taste this. Hope you guys enjoy the upcoming video to show you how to make this simple little hack with your rice cooker.